Right, hello people, it is, oh, hold on. There we go. Oh no, I'm all over the place, boys. Right, here's the one trade we ended up taking today. We faded a banger, it would have hit TP. I, low-key, don't want to talk about it. So this is the trade recap of the day, the 10th of the 8th, 2026. I do apologize, we haven't done a trade recap in a few days, but it's right, it's fine. As you can see, we had one with our model, and then we had one with 10 a.m. as well that I didn't end up taking, but I'm still looking at something, which is why I'm not locked out. So coming into today, what we're doing, I believe that we are so obviously bullish. I mean, 10 a.m. has just manipulated into this, and I believe we're going to push lower from here. But when New York opened, we had, what do we have? We had this fat fuck off SMT inside of this hourly gap, taking out this intermediate 1 hour low. And then what else did we have? We had also 50% of the range. So we equalized and balanced this range with the 1 hour order block. Look, I mean, we had hourly order block, hourly gap, unmitigated, intermediate 1 minute low gets swept with an SMT. This is also OTE of the 4 hour range as well. Sorry, where are we? No, OTE of this range is here as well. So what do? Price comes down, we manipulate lower, tap 79% extension. We've got an SMT inside of the 1 hour gap, inside of OTE, inside after rebalancing. As you can see, we came down pre-market, rebalanced, came up, and then got taken down by another 15 minute. We had so much trendline liquidity moving up. Everything had been rebalanced. Oh, fuck off. Did we just tap 10 a.m. and then just hold on? Was that a fib level? If that was a fib level, I'm going to be pissed. Oh my fucking god. EQ lined up with the... No. 75 points. There's not a fucking chance that we missed that. Oh my god. There is no shot that we missed that. To be fair, I don't think I would have taken it anyway, just because we'd equaled out this range. We have stuff below us. But yeah, this was like perfect prime time to go and to continue up. So we come down, manipulate down towards the 79% extension, sweep 79% extension, come back up, make a leg. Let's just do this. So we sweep sell side with the leg, with it. Like, this is the most A+ setup you could possibly get, right? We were wicking about a little bit. We also add an internal SMT, external SMT, fib level. I mean, this is just a bit crazy, right? So what happened? What went? Where did it all go wrong? Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend. It would have ended up playing out fully if I'd have left it, but we went break even. And we got break even almost straight away. So 1 minute inverse, we 25 to 75, risking 500 to make 1500. As you can see, the fib, we inversed, and then I went break even foolishly after this candle hit OTE. I went break even, got break even, and then it ran about 50 points, if I'm not mistaken, 58 points, and then came back down, tapped it. I don't know why we would come down and tap this. Like, I think we might have just been, I mean, this came into OTE, we got a rejection wick, price came down into the rejection wick and shot back up. But it's fine. So that was the trade we ended up getting break even on. And then there's this one, which I'm in Powell's Discord, right? For the, like, anyone else that's in Powell's Discord, you know that everyone's a bunch of fucking buffoons. It's like a zoo. Okay, it's fully like a zoo. 10 a.m. opened on this candle here. What did we have? We needed to equalize this range. I was fully bullish, right? Fully bullish. 10 a.m. opens, manipulates lower. What do we manipulate into? One, nothing. For example, nothing. We don't manipulate into anything. We immediately get the CISD, come back down, retest 10 a.m. But there's no need Like this isn't OTE. We didn't make a bigger leg up. We didn't like we came up, swept 79% extension, but from this 1 minute leg, like there was no further manipulation, nothing. So we immediately closed down, closed back above, and then you could have taken this, and this would have hit because I was targeting here, but I would have just targeted 75 points for the 1500. And it would have been over in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles. But I mean, it's fine. There was no, like, I was in the Discord and everyone was like, oh, long 10 a.m, long 10 a.m. I was like, bro, there's no other context around this. Like, what are people doing? But of course, this is gonna fucking hit. You fucking watch. You fucking watch. Lined up with the 50% of the range. I swear to God. Anyway, it doesn't matter. We're not in the trade. We're locking ourselves out now because the odds of us coming back down and breaking below are quite slim. Although now I've locked myself out, it always feels like I do the wrong thing. So we're probably going to end up doing that now. But it's fine. So yeah, price came up, tapped 10 a.m. But no big manipulation. We didn't manipulate into a gap. We didn't manipulate into like a fib level. We didn't do anything. Right. So there was no reason like for us to do that. There was no, I mean, unless, like, looking at it now, 0.5 at the 0.6. No, because it would have been this one, wouldn't it? 0.5. Like, and then we just break above, get one candle above, and then people just place a limit. Like, that's like me, look, we get, if I were to draw a line here, we get one candle close below, one candle close above. You're putting your limit there. Like, what? There's no reason for it, bro. Do you know what I mean? There's genuinely no other context around 10 a.m. So anyone that long 10 a.m, you're a bit of a buffoon, in my opinion, because there was literally nothing. The good trade would have been this one. However, this was, like, our target had already been hit. We'd already equaled out this range. Yes, I do believe we're going to go higher. However, short term, for like 75 points, 1 minute time frame wise, we could see further downside off of this. Do you know what I mean? Like, less than just the tap of 10 a.m. But anyway, it's all right. I mean, we're back on the eval. We didn't have a single winning day on the XFA, and it really annoyed me because it just felt like I didn't know what I was doing. But it was just such an unbelievably shit week, and then Friday was a godsend. But we'd already got rid of the account by then. So yeah, one trade, one break even. We went break even semi prematurely, wouldn't have been stopped out anyway, and then we just faded one that would have hit, and also this one that is about to hit. Go on, just fucking do it to me. Fucking do it to me. Do you need some motivation? Pew 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 pew. Also inside of a 5-minute gap. I mean, come on, man. What the fuck's going on, bro? Like, this would have hit, but hold on. How a 37-point wick on the 1 minute time frame, bro? What the hell? Like, I just got to start trading like a robot because I get a gut feeling and I just fucking throw a good setup out the window. Like this one, this was such a gorgeous setup. This was fully A+. Like, we had the fib level, we had 79% extension get tapped, rejected, 1 minute inverse out inside of a, we had an hourly SMT that we swept on NQ, we had an hourly gap that we were inside of, we had hit OTE of the range, as well as the CE of the 4-hour range. This is where we're going to come up from. Like, this, if anything's going to hold us up, it's going to be this. We had like 7 different confluences, as well as internal, external SMT, fib level, another fib level of the range, 1 minute inverse out, overall bullish bias of rebalancing this range. Like, fucking come on, man. Like, what? Go on, hit. I'd hate this if I was in this right now. Like, this is such holy edge. And 3, 2, 1. I don't know. But a 37-point wick tapping 10 a.m. What the fuck? I personally thought we were going to break below 10 a.m, come back down, re-tap, and then maybe go lower. But only thing with that is, like, this is why I'm locked out now. What is lower? What is low? We came back, tapped into OTE, rebalanced that range. We've come from here to here and rebalanced this range. This range from here to here, we've fully like perfectly rebalanced it. We're getting we're getting an hourly inverse. Then obviously you got OTE here, which we've tapped into now, which is the thing. Like we've tapped into this. There's no reason to long here. We hit OTE perfectly. Like, look how perfectly we tapped the 709, and then look at the reaction we're getting from it. Like, there's no reason to long here. And then if you see, yeah, 79% extension, 79% got tapped of this leg down. It's just because it's 10 a.m. that like this shit is just not ideal. But then I bet if we look at, like, we're creating a 5-minute rejection wick here because we've got premium hourly gap that aligns with OTE. We've got an internal SMT. We've had a 1-minute inverse to the downside. You could just genuinely short towards 10 a.m. 25-point stop. 60 point take profit. Like that's an entry that aligns with us if we weren't just bopping about. Like this isn't probable because one, we have no good break-even point because the most recent low is 10 a.m. and we reacted bullish off of that. So it's like we've already hit our objective of filling in this range again. So to me, there's nothing left to take on the day. Like we perfectly hit 79% extension. Sorry, 709, back to 10 a.m, back up to the 50%, which is also OTE of this leg down. And we got a bearish reaction from that. So it's fucking higgledy-piggledy, bro. Like, but anyway, sorry, I'll stop waffling. If anyone wants to say, hold on, I'll let it charge up. It's been really slow recently. I don't know what's going on with it. If anyone wants to say hello to the vlog, do so now or forever hold your peace. Oh wait, the YouTube video, there's not like a live chat. Alright, anyway, see you later, people. Have a good day, stay profitable, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. That was today's trade recap. Bash.